The Dictionary of Real Estate Appraisal, page 136, Chapter L continued, starting with Lot and Block System. A system for the legal description of land that refers to parcels, lot and block numbers, which appear on recorded maps and plats of subdivided land. May also be used for assessment maps. Shows a picture of a lot and block system. Lot coverage. The proportion of the net or gross land area of a site that is occupied by a building or buildings. Lot line. The boundary line of a plot of ground as legally described in the title to the property. Lot line adjustment. An administrative procedure for moving the boundary between two or more adjacent parcels. Low-income housing. See public housing and subsidized housing. Low-rise. Number 1. A building containing 5 or fewer stories. The definition may vary depending on locale and property type. When used in regard to office buildings in an urban setting, a building containing up to 20 stories. The acronym is IREM. Low-rise number 2. A building with fewer than generally 4 stories above ground level. The acronym is SIOR. Low-rise apartment project. See garden apartment project. Low-rise office building. Number 1. An office building containing only 1 or a few stories. Typically 1 to 3 stories, although in some areas the term may be applied to buildings with up to 5 or 6 stories. Low-rise office building number 2. A building of fewer than 7 stories above ground level. The acronym is BOMA/NAIOP. LQ. See location quotient. LTV. See loan to value ratio. The acronym is M. Lube shop. A specialized service facility focused on the performance of simple fluid replacement jobs such as oil changes, radiator flushes, and transmission and steering fluid maintenance. The facility may not be well suited for major auto repair work due to the absence of hydraulic lifts. Typically consists of a 3-bay garage building with roll-up doors on both the front and back to allow assembly line drive-through service. Garage bays feature long service pits rather than hydraulic lifts. Lumberyard. A storage yard for lumber of all sizes and shapes, intended for general building purposes. Luxury hotel. A full-service hotel that features high-quality physical surroundings and services. Luxury hotels have the highest average daily room rate, ADR, also known as a five-star hotel. Page 137, Chapter M. The acronym M. C. Loan to value ratio. The acronym capital M over the number 1. C. Money. The acronym capital M over the number 2. The mathematical symbol for broad money. See also money. The acronym capital M over the number 3. The mathematical symbol for additional near monies. See also money. Macroeconomics. The study of the economy as an aggregate system, focusing on national/domestic production, national/domestic income, the supply of money, the rate of inflation, the national budget, the balance of trade, and the interrelationships among constituent sectors, also called microeconomics. Macro level analysis. Market area analysis that is used to understand the extent and nature of the local economy and generate data for real estate market research. Macro level data. C. General data. The acronym capital M, capital A, capital C, capital R, capital S. MACRS. C. Modified Accelerated Cost Recovery System. Made land. Ground formed by filling in natural or artificial pits with construction debris or other types of clean fill. The creation of additional land along a shore by extending the shoreline farther into the water, usually with dredged sand as the fill material. Maintenance. Keeping a property in condition to perform its function efficiently. Expenditures made for this purpose. Maintenance does not extend the useful life of the property or increase its book value. See also deferred maintenance and repairs. Major tenant. The store that generates the greatest amount of customer patronage for a shopping center. The major tenant would be strong enough to stand alone. Department stores, discount department stores, large variety stores, big box stores, and supermarkets generally function as major tenants, also referred to as a major anchor or anchor. Mall. Number 1. Originally a shaded walk. Mall number 2. An area designed for pedestrian use only. Mall number 3. A large shopping center, usually a regional shopping center. Management. Directing or conducting affairs. One of the elements of overhead or under-distributed construction costs. See also management program and resident management. Management contract. An agreement between a management company and a property owner or investor in which the company assumes complete or partial responsibility for management of the property. Management fee. The amount charged by a management firm to manage property for an owner. In income and expense analysis, a management fee is typically treated as a variable operating expense, usually expressed as a percentage of effective gross income. Management program. A program of defined goals established to direct or conduct the management of a property and the manner or means by which these goals can be achieved. Management risk. The risk that the management cannot ensure that the property meets defined income or investment goals. Manufactured home. A factory-built house manufactured under the Federal Manufactured Home Construction and Safety Standards Act, commonly known as the HUD Code. See also modular home. End of page.